accept you, even if you are different. Young and old, black and white, you are all friends. Netflix, they said we only hire adult. Therefore, we trust them. We evaluate them by their performance, not by sitting on the desk. So with this performance, employees perform so well. And also they only have VP. They don't have a lot of management styles there. So they could be able to put their ideas, quickly. So that's why their part is very strong and unique part.
Hospitality is our custom, a free-spirited people that love to have fun, driven to achieve excellence in all we do.
So it's very important for all of us to think about really what is it? How can we make our people really fun and interesting? And we need to remove as a manager, our barriers.
Hearts are frozen, minds are closed.